not that for a minute, because I've got to get the chocolate turds on the table. Look, I've got Prince Charles there. It's nice, isn't it? They're all molded chocolate turds. Would you like one? It's very tasty. It's chocolate with a bit of milk and I don't remember what else I put in there. It's in the other video anyway. The one you've all enjoyed seeing where the chocolate gets all over the gloves, my rubber gloves, and they're so dirty and messy. And some of you have said you've really liked it. Do you like my crown? I thought it's a bit Julius Caesar look today. This is, what are they, bay leaves, and my snake, again given by the same person who's given me the King Charles coin, who wanted a special video made, which will be coming out probably in the members area very soon. So we've got turds. We need something of color. What shall we vacuum? Shall we vacuum some pear drops? No. They're too similar. I've got all these sweets. I love sweets. I eat sweets all day long. Not those. They are chocolate as well. Spinning tops. Little bull eyes? No, not with that. Oh look, mini chocolate beans. Oh, these are too cute to vacuum. Look at that. Delicious. Yum yum. Oh, we've got the old wine gums. Oh yes, if I ate one of those, I'd probably have the bad guts again like I did last time. That would be fun. Oh no! They've gone on the floor. Oh, my best wine gums that I was going to vacuum. That's not fun, is it? Oh, we've got two hula hoops. And I could try a marshmallow again. Do you know, I want to eat one. Shall I eat one and then I put half on the table for Henry? Then we both eat the marshmallows. And then I can have bad guts tomorrow and complain. Because these are delicious. They smell bizarre actually. They smell a bit like, I don't know what. Pretend vanilla, isn't it? Like artificial stuff. But they're so nice. So we'll do that in a minute. But I've got to remember to vacuum my vine gums that have gone into the wrong place. Put those there. We're going to do that very slowly and perhaps change Henry's bag before I start vacuuming. Then I can do a bean drop at the end, just for you. You see those have words on. This one says gin, this one says hooch, heck, flock.
Hawk.
Oh, Tina, thank you very much. Hawk. Rioja, that was famous, wasn't it, in the 80s. Pont. Oh yes, port, yes. You see, I'm such a big drinker, I know all the names. What's this one? Porky. That one. Oh, port again. Hawk, port. Rioja again. They like a Rioja, don't they? Lovely. And then, one for me, one for the vacuum. I vacuum two of those. Are you ready? I probably will spit it out. For Henry. Yes. Delicious. Beef gelatin. Unless it's pork, it could be pork. It's got flavoring, gelatin of unknown origin. It doesn't say if it's beef or pork. That's very naughty of them. It's probably frog or something weird like that. Like I don't eat frogs. Never eaten a frog in my life, maybe. Maybe one or two, but that's it. But you don't know what they put in the sweets. It's so disgusting. In fact, it's got a bitter aftertaste. I better have a sip of tea. Yeah. Oh, they are so addictive, but they don't feel good, those sweets. So the best job for them is to vacuum them. And with all the sweets that are left, I'll do a specific members video. Maybe involving feet, I don't know. Maybe feet and sweets. Delicious red bush tea with fresh cow milk, unpasteurized. Only the best. So now, let's do a quick video vacuuming sweets. We'll start with the floor ones. Oh no, we'll start with the changing the bags. I'll look at the state of the bag first. I may be able to just empty it and reuse it, because these special paper bags are really reusable. But they've not made it easy for us to reuse them because they are very hard to unglue at the back, at the bottom. And often we get the others fabric coming out, and then it all collapses and it bursts the bag, and then it's very difficult. That's not too full, I think. I'll do the bin drop anyway. And then it will definitely have plenty of suction, because we don't want weakling Henrys, do we? Are you ready for the mess? Oh, lovely. Ooh, lovely and dusty as well. Ooh. Oh, I might have to vacuum again. And the bin smells very bad as well. It's actually a fly factory. I like to grow flies for the sole purpose of spiders, to feed my little spiders. Otherwise, what will they eat? And then I won't have spiders. And then I'll be in trouble, because no spiders means a lot of mosquitoes, which means a lot of bites, which means a lot of itching. It's all very unpleasant, so we need to care after our spiders. Give them plenty of food. It's a bit hard to put back on today. So, vacuuming sweets, are you ready? That's the only thing sweets deserve, is to be vacuumed, is to be vacuumed. Because sweets, they love to go into the vacuum pipe and get sucked up by your favorite vacuum cleaner. It makes great videos which are very appreciated on the channels on YouTube, and you'll get plenty of fans if you vacuum sweets, vacuum sweets, vacuum sweets. Are you ready now? To the attack. We start on the table. Are you ready for chocolate turds? Did you hear that sound? Oh, you like that one? Oh. was a nice sound, that one. Look, did you hear that? Lovely. That was nice. Oh no, not the plastic bag. That's not going to get vacuumed. These were the British wine gums. You don't find them anywhere else like this. They're lovely. Oh, not much noise, that one. Let's check. Quart is a bit fast. I think it's still that one. Yes, yes. That's nice. Nice noise, that one. Let's try hot. That was a slow transit, that one. Come on, turd, come on. Get the turd. That was a long one as well. Let's have a hop. Hop. Come. You are. Hop. Bin. Yoga. Big fat turd. The marshmallow got the best of me. Come on, this is the last big fat turd. Shall we do this one instead? Let's do this one. Oh, something touched my feet then. Something must have dropped from the table. The last chocolate turd, come on. Oh, that was really fast and noiseless as well. Shall we try the whole one, go on, or not? Oh, I think it's gone. Yes, it's gone. Now we've got to clean the floor. Oh! That was like a huge spark. I've done it with the table earlier. I'm too lazy to do under the table. Nobody looks under the table. We don't need to vacuum under there. So now we're here, and you've seen I've not vacuumed under there. I better do it. I should really bring my Kirby's tool, but it's upstairs. And I'm too lazy to go upstairs and get it, so you just have to make do with this little bit of vacuuming from a distance. Vacuuming the soft furniture, which are, I am sure, very dusty. You never know, in case the Queen was to visit, I better have a presentable chair for her. I mean, I don't mean the Queen, but any Queen. I'll wear my special hairstyle for her. She might be secretly impressed. Shall I vacuum my hair? No, I won't do that now, actually. Because I might want to do all the videos for my other channel. Look at that, which is this one. Chablis. I didn't hear it dropping into the bin. What about this one? What is it? Oh, it's Pont again. Pont. Oh, that was fast. What about this one? Ajoie. What is that done? That's me clean now for another month. I don't need to vacuum anymore. So I'll see you in a month.